Just like C, G also has soft and hard sounds, and the rules also pretty much remain the same. When G comes before A, O, and U, it takes the hard sound G. When G comes before any consonant, it takes the hard sound G. When a word ends with G, it takes the hard sound G. And when a word has double G, it takes the hard sound G. For example, beg, beggar, game, golf, guitar. When G comes before E, I, and Y, it takes the soft sound J. For example, gist, gesture, gym. And when it forms a trio with D and E, that is DGE, it takes the soft sound J. For example, nudge, grudge, bridge. Now practice these words: gorgeous, garbage, gregarious, geography, giant.